Luna Classic is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Luna Classic, we are still testing these 14 level as resistance. I mentioned to you guys yesterday that's going to be very important to see Luna Classic actually try to break above this crucial support level, find it as a nice consolidation and then a continuation. But as of right now, you can see we actually did see a pullback, but immediately after started to retest this level as resistance. Ideally, what we're looking for right now in terms of a bullish case scenario is a strong break above this level, and of course trying to break a crucial point here at 16. The 16 mark has acted as a very crucial support on the 4 hours. You can see we actually saw multiple retests of this level before we finally saw that breakdown. So in terms of a pullback, we could easily be looking for this level to actually get retested and then the confirmation to the downside. From a bearish case scenario, you can see that we do have a lot better of an analysis. We are trading below this crucial support here at 14. The exponential moving averages are also trending lower, and the fact that we are using them as resistance is a very key point in Luna Classic. From pretty much the beginning of the time when I started making these videos on Luna Classic, I mentioned to you guys many times that these EMAs play almost perfectly for this trade, right? You can see that since all the way up from here in terms of the 31 resistance, we have been using these EMAs as a beautiful resistance zone, pushing lower and lower and lower. As of right now, the question is going to be, where exactly do we find a bottom formation on Luna Classic? And there are a few things I want to talk about. The number one, I did mention to you guys that if the 14 level were to hold, and of course we see a second and third test wick opportunity, we cannot break lower than this 14 mark, and we were just looking for consolidation. You can see that something like this was at play, right, where we actually held that 86 level multiple times, just continued on our way before we saw the massive breakout. But as of right now, this analysis has changed. We have seen a very clean break below the 14 mark. We are trading as well and consolidating lower than that level. So I would be keeping an eye on how this 86 level plays out. The only difference, of course, is the fact that RSI is in extreme oversold condition. So this is why I'm mentioning the fact that we could easily see a pullback opportunity before we actually continue trading on lower. In terms of the hourly time frames, you can see that Luna Classic is, of course, below these exponential moving averages. We are barely holding on, but we are starting to see multiple rejection candlesticks across the hourly. Yesterday, we did have a very nice BART formation form as well, and you can see immediately after we saw that retest to the downside. And as of right now, we are continuing still using these exponential moving averages as resistance. From a bullish case scenario, though, we would have to try to break above on the hourly on the 14 mark, use it as support, and then try to take over the 16 territory. But any trading below the support level, you guys already know how I feel about it. We are looking for a massive move to the downside, possibly to that 86 if not lower. Zooming out on the chart here, you can see that I have mentioned this pattern to you guys before. The fact that this is just another consolidation zone. And what I mean by that is, you can see when Luna Classic actually created this massive move, we consolidated for a very long time before creating the next leg up. Zooming out of the chart right now, you can see we are pretty much in the same state where we are starting to see a consolidation zone, possibly continuing for the next leg up. So we have to be very careful about that. As of right now, though, we will be looking to retest around the 86 mark and then possibly seeing a strong V-shaped formation. But in terms of an overall bullish analysis, we have to try to take control of this 22 resistance. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.